Where are you at? Hey! Ah, nice shower for the puppies. Over here, guys.
They never come close to you. The water's good.
Come on, Chewy. There you go. Oh, they love this, don't they?
They do.
More?
More.
Oh, you've been...
She's drinking.
Huh? More? Chewy, get in there, girl.
Chloe loves.
Just like little kids playing in the sprinkler.
Put them on the water, on the pail, on the basin.
What is it?
Put them on the basin.
I don't think they'll go in there, will they? Okay, take a rest for a second. Let me pump some more water, okay? See all the things we do for our dogs? God dang! The things we do to entertain our puppies. Come here, you goofballs. Let's do it, alright?
Okay.
Hi!
Don't come so close to me.
Hi. More? Hey!
I need to go. Han.
Get up! Wanna move over here a little bit?
There, yeah.
I think they're getting tired. They've been doing this a while, haven't they?
Yeah.
Before I came out here.
Come here, Han. Move it here. I gave them twice.
And then I do it twice.
But Chloe is still on the...
Chloe?
Put the water up. Put the sprinkle up.
I am up. How much farther can I go?
Put like that, yeah. Chewy is looking at she's waiting for the water. But Chloe always wanted to be in front.
And yeah.
Crazy daddy. Be careful, you.
They're looking at me so tentatively.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Oops.
It's
That's not what you were
move back, Han. Move back. I'm going to. You see, they come in front of me. They don't want. The only one is sprinkle.
That's it, right? I guess we're not done until they say we're done, right?
She just stood on the corner behind.
Chewy?
Chewy, come here.
Chewy right there, she's a little bit more bashful. This one here, no. Chloe is,
Come here, Chloe. Chewy.
This is kind of like their highlight of the day. After mom finishes watering her plants, the dogs sit here and wait for her to come back to this area so they can play with the water.
Let Ading play also.
It's good for them. Good exercise, and it cools them off. It was hot today, so Alright guys. Oh well, I think everybody gets the point here.
Yeah.
Alright, say goodbye, hon.
Bye.
See you later. Bye-bye. Talk to you soon. Later, guys.